He keeps saying it's really hard. Like low key, it looks. I think it's easy. Do you think tinting seems easy to you?
Do you think it seems easy?
Yeah.
Why do you think you can do it?
Get a load of this guy.
Oh, you think you can do this?
No, I just. Well, I don't know. You're like, oh, I've been in the industry for 17 years. Like tinting, dude. If you just put it on the window, right? Like
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Get this. Like there's the slip.
That's said everyone that's ever watched window tinting.
Okay, like I'm just the videographer.
But you've edited enough videos.
Right, but I edit tint content all day.
Knowing what the steps are and actually being able to do the steps are two different things. Like I think you know the steps, but there's no way you could just do them.
I think you should try it.
Squeegee. Yeah.
You'd probably cut yourself if I let you try it.
Let me try. I got it. The best
Oh
training
my
you've
God,
ever
you're
had.
already pissing off the tint gods.
Dude, it's not that hard.
You're literally already pissing off the tint gods.
It's just tint.
First thing you gotta do is remove that.
So-
Don't cut yourself, please.
Okay, I won't cut myself.
You
I need to
dig in.
Okay. To the corner.
Just dig in, like literally in the middle of the film. Just dig in right there. Okay, no, now you're gonna scratch the window.
Okay, but
Here the problems begin.
No, dude, you already threw it away. Okay. Dig in, but without scratching the window. Dude, this is gonna be so freaking easy,
Okay, I
dude.
need to get my coffee for this.
Let's see. How do you
There's
even?
already the edge of the tint right there.
Oh, I can just use that. Got it. Just give me a second. How do I get it started?
With the razor blade.
I'm using the razor blade. It just rips off. I never make any videos on tint removal.
What does Jerry think of you tinting?
Jerry, how do I remove it?
How do you remove it?
Whoa, no, you're cheating,
No, I'm not.
Did he pray first? I don't think he did.
already started talking.
How do I get it?
Oh,
How do I get it
you don't
going?
know about the rules? You don't know about the evil tint gods?
He's learning right now. He's
Oh,
learning.
you're gonna find out.
There. Now don't go any further. Just use that to get your fingers on there.
Grab and pull slowly. Don't yank.
You're yanking.
Do you know how you get right with the gods? Blood sacrifice. Cut your finger.
Do I have to do a blood sacrifice?
Oh yeah.
Third time's a charm.
No, there's a bit more.
Even still.
Oh, for that, really? Even?
Yeah, there you go.
You haven't heard me say you wouldn't shave your face without lube?
No, I've never heard that.
Are you editing my videos?
It's the easiest thing I've ever done in my life, genuinely. So easy.
So hold the razor blade with your fingertips like this, so that your hand's out of the way more. There you go, like just your fingertip.
Oh! I mean, make it count. That doesn't.
Basically, man the fuck up, but I can't say that anymore now that we have a female tinter.
Kylie's over there like, I hear you.
Woman up.
The glue just goes away when he does it.
So, are you gonna quit your job as a videographer after this?
No, I'll still be a videographer. I'll just tint whenever I want because it's easy.
All of a sudden, everything you've ever watched.
Splint window tinting.
Splint.
Quantity window tinting.
Is that's not a good sound?
No, that's good.
Oh, really? This?
No. Here.
Got it. Yeah.
Now scrub pad.
He goes like this. Oh, like that. That's what you always say to trainees. They're always like, eh, and you're like, more. So is it done over here on the right? I don't know.
Well,
That's for you to find out.
It appears to be.
I'll be honest.
It's the guy that makes the cut right.
I don't think he can do it.
What the hell, dude? Oh, there's still glue here.
Okay, number one rule is what?
Yeah, what are the rules?
Make it count?
No, don't damage the car.
Feels all right,
Okay, to
honestly.
get the glue out of the gasket,
Yeah.
we're gonna take the knife and see I'm flexing it up against the.
I've straight up never seen you do that. Is it gone? I don't know. I don't see any, but it could still be there.
It is.
I think it's still there.
Always. This is giving me anxiety.
Because he's afraid I'm gonna be better than him.
You let him tint on your Corvette?
Don't flatter him. To be able to get film on here is going to be a little bit more challenging than he thinks.
Alright, I think we're good. I think I got it.
Okay. I still physically see glue.
But sure. I have to clean it off by. My hip is cramping, and I'm gonna clean the outside with my favorite tool, the Orange Crush from 44 Tools.
Oh, thanks, bro.
No, this is what I'm supposed to use.
What the? Pushing squeegee? That's cute. You never saw that in the video you guys did.
What is this? I'm holding it like this.
That's great.
I know. We should probably use this one. That one.
Okay, measurement. There's a tape measure.
43. Are we gonna go over?
Yep.
Do I go an inch over?
Yep. 44. Okay, soak the window.
Yes, sir. Wait, can I use the backpack thing?
Yeah.
Can I use the tree spray?
Do you think you're worthy enough to use it?
Of course I'm worthy enough to use it. Watch this. Oh, so sorry. I could use the true spray, dude.
Suit up.
Yes. Let's see if it works.
I won't tell.
Can you cut that part out?
Yeah.
Yes, dude.
Wait, did you turn it on?
Yeah, it turned on. It sprayed me.
Are the batteries in there?
It was the wrong way. Wait, not this piece? No, that is the piece. This is the piece. Oh, got it.
Okay, what side's the liner, what side's the tint?
Oh my gosh.
We
That
want the
is-
liner facing out.
The liner needs to face out, and I know which side the liner is.
How?
Oh, how? Hold on, let me go back. How do I tell without? Which side it was?
The liner
on?
slides, the tint sticks. The liner slides, the tint sticks.
Can you pull up ChatGPT? The liner slides, the tint sticks. Okay. To freaking what? To the window? Kylie!
Kylie's phoning a
How
friend.
do I tell which side is the liner? Right now.
It's for the shiny side.
They're both shiny.
Well, one side's more black and one side's more shiny.
Oh, so this is not the liner. This is the liner side?
I would say it's the other side, but you can also just like,
You don't know?
kind of pinch with your finger at the tip.
I feel like I should soak it again.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The liner's there.
Bro, I'm about to cue a SpongeBob sound card real quick.
Do not do the SpongeBob.
1 hour later.
That's the liner, right? I hope I'm correct about this. Also, there's a giant... Is this too big? Am I supposed to do that? No, I'm supposed to just lay it on there. I dropped it.
Why'd you drop it? Oh my god. Seriously, why'd you drop it?
I don't know. Well, not on purpose.
Well, surely, but like, if you were holding a baby, I don't think you would accidentally drop a baby.
Well,
so
well-
it's just you don't care. It's a careness thing.
okay. Did that ruin it?
Yeah.
Did it ruin it? It's ruined. I've never dropped a baby. Okay.
That we know of.
Because you care. You
You
don't
need-
care about window tinting.
Shit, I was trying to figure out which side the liner was on.
And it's on the wrong side. See?
I
Bro,
still got it wrong.
You even
Liner
used to
facing
phone a
out.
friend.
Have another piece.
God.
44 inches.
All right.
Bro, he even phoned a friend.
Dude, he just wasted like $69 worth of tint.
$69.
69.
$69. He even phoned Kylie for help and he still got it wrong.
Oh my god. Who wants to be a millionaire?
Who wants to be a window tinter?
You said to the ground is 43. So it needs to be a little longer. I just see Austin put it like in his mouth and he goes like this. I don't know what he does. He just figures out which side does the liner like immediately. Okay, I feel like it's not bad. Dude, do not, Richard, do not say anything. I have a true friend. I'm not afraid to use it.
Hey. Anything.
I don't know why he has the entire state of Wyoming on that window.
Just, extra, just in case. All right, so I'm
Trim
gonna
some of that away.
cut like this.
Trim some of that away. Get your butt out. Yeah, wait.
Top first?
You got excited and got scared.
Oh.
I totally effed it.
Start over. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
But this.
Oh,
not bad.
don't. Oh my god.
What?
I would give this.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands